Hey friends, I am back with my channel all about knowledge which helps you to tackle the difficult questions with shortcut tricks as well as to understand the important chapters for science and maths easily within minutes. So my previous video I was talking about the chapter light, reflection and refraction, which is for 10th board students especially in this lockdown, which wants to study the chapters of science and maths, so that when the physical classes will open they can understand the chapters very easily. So without wasting time, let's proceed. In my previous video I have taught you till the topic uses of concave and convex mirrors. Now this is the last topic for reflection topic, not the end of the chapter. It is the last topic for reflection, and these topics are very important for numericals point of view because all the numericals are based on the topics which I will discuss in this video. So be focused and watch my video till end and get to like my video. First, for the numericals we have to understand sign convention. Sign convention is a top very easy, which has only 5 points which you have to remember. First is object is always placed to the left of mirror. With the help of figure it will be very easy to understand. So let me draw a figure, rough diagram. It is x-axis and we'll take any mirror. I have considered here convex mirror. So object is always placed to the left of mirror. Now the left of mirror will be this part. Object will be placed in this part always. All the distance parallel to the principal axis are measured from the pole. This is the pole of mirror which all of you know. All the distance from here, this side or this side measured only, it will be only measured from this pole point only. Now third point, all the distance measured to the right of the origin are taken as positive, while those measured to the left of the origin are taken as negative. It is saying that all the distance right of the mirror will be this part, it will be positive always, and left of the mirror means this part, it will be negative always. All the distances, mind the word distance. And the fourth point is distance measured perpendicular to and above the principal axis are taken as positive. It is saying that if we take an object, perpendicular measuring means what? We have to perpendicular measure this part or either this part. So if we measure perpendicular above the principal axis, this is principal axis and above will be this will be positive, and below the principal axis will be negative. It is same as the Cartesian plane which you have already studied in maths also. It is same like that, the positive principal positive x-axis, negative x-axis, positive y-axis, negative y-axis. It is similar to that, but you have to keep in mind with reference to mirror. Now next topic is mirror formula. All the numericals are generally based on this formula and the other formula which we will study in next part of the videos. Definition is not at all important for students, so you can read it by pausing the video. I am just focusing on the formula. Here I have used 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. Now you already know that f is focal length. Now u will be the object distance. Means if I have kept an object here, so from pole we measure all the distance. This part, this will be u, okay, and v is the image distance. Means so the image will be this, so this will be v, the distance from image to the pole will be v. So v is the image distance, u is the object distance, and f is the focal length of the mirror. This is the formula which is known as mirror formula. You have to learn it by heart. Now the next topic is magnificence or magnification. Magnification produced by a spherical mirror gives the relative extent to which the image of an object is magnified with respect to the object size. Now what is it? It is trying to say that magnification generally means the in what amount the image is large or small with respect to the object. Means if the object is 2 centimeter and the image is 4 centimeters, so we can say that image height is twice the height of object. This is something which magnification determines. Now the formula for magnification is height of image upon height of object. So height of image can be indicated by hi and object can be indicated by ho. So simply we can write m is equals to hi upon ho. Now the other formula for magnification is minus of v upon u. Now v and u is the same which you have studied in mirror formula. V is the image distance and u is the object distance. This is also a formula which is very frequently used in the numerical. So you have to learn these two formulas also by heart. Now the lastly, it is something note or very important points that you have to remember all the time through the chapter. Negative sign in the value of the magnification indicates that the image will be real. It is trying to say that after calculating this value or this value, if the magnification comes in negative, after calculating this negative, then you can say that the image is real. Or if after calculation we get magnification positive, then we can say that image is virtual. Now keep in mind one point, that all the values, be it v, u, hi, ho, you have to put the values with their sign, positive or negative, according to the sign convention which I have taught you in the beginning of the video. You have to put all the values with their sign. Okay. Now if you like my video, please big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest videos. And left of the chapter I will conclude in the next part of the video. Till then, thank you.